Managing anxiety in the workplace is essential for maintaining productivity and well-being. Here's a detailed list of strategies to help control anxiety while at work. 1. Recognize triggers. Identify specific stressors or triggers that contribute to anxiety at work. Understanding these triggers is the first step in managing them effectively. 2. Practice mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or guided imagery to stay present and reduce anxiety levels. 3. Time management. Prioritize tasks, create to-do lists, and set realistic deadlines to avoid feeling overwhelmed by workload pressures. 4. Break tasks into smaller steps. Divide complex tasks into smaller, manageable steps to prevent feeling paralyzed by the enormity of the work. 5. Maintain a healthy work-life balance. Set boundaries between work and personal life. Take breaks, disconnect after work, and engage in activities that promote relaxation. 6. Communication and assertiveness. Communicate concerns or workload issues with supervisors or colleagues. Being assertive about workload or seeking help when needed can alleviate anxiety. 7. Create a comfortable workspace. Personalize your workspace to make it more comfortable and calming. Include elements like plants, photos, or calming scents. 8. Practice self-care. Prioritize self-care activities such as regular exercise, healthy eating, adequate sleep, and hobbies to reduce stress and anxiety levels. 9. Set realistic expectations. Avoid setting overly high standards for yourself. Embrace realistic expectations and understand that perfection is not always attainable. 10. Take regular breaks. Schedule short breaks throughout the day to recharge and relax. Stepping away from work, even for a few minutes, can refresh your mind. 11. Use stress relief techniques. Incorporate stress relief techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation, stretching, or taking a short walk during breaks. 12. Seek support. Connect with colleagues or a supportive network within the workplace. Talking to someone can provide perspective and alleviate anxiety. 13. Organize and declutter. Keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. A tidy environment can help reduce feelings of chaos and stress. 14. Practice positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with positive affirmations. Cultivating a positive mindset can help combat anxiety. 15. Seek professional help if needed. If anxiety significantly impacts your ability to function at work, consider seeking support from a therapist or counselor for coping strategies. 16. Establish a routine. Develop a consistent routine for starting and ending work. Having a structured routine can provide a sense of control and stability. 17. Learn stress management techniques. Explore stress management techniques such as cognitive behavioral strategies or relaxation techniques to manage workplace anxiety effectively. Combining multiple strategies and finding what works best for individual needs is key in effectively managing anxiety in the workplace. Experiment with different techniques to create a personalized approach that helps maintain a calm and focused mindset while at work.